What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you like, share, or comment down below. Helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get the latest alerts on all the different content and videos that we drop on the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I have another special review. This time around, it's another nonprofit financial institution. And actually, I've known about this particular organization for over 10 years. And I came across them back in the day when I worked in the community development financial space. Now, this particular organization is Kiva. So Kiva was founded back in 2005. They are a international microfinance, social enterprise, social impact investing organization. And what they originally intended to do was provide access to micro loans to entrepreneurs in specific developing countries that didn't have access to traditional banking services. So they would give these micro loans, and these were small loans, and then enable some of these perhaps like rural farmers or women entrepreneurs in countries like India, Kenya, a host of different countries in South America, Asia, Africa. They're worldwide, so actually one of the bigger international organizations in the space. But anyways, they have a US based subsidiary, Kiva US. Now Kiva US offers business loans. Now what's distinctive about Kiva US in their business loans is the fact that the loans are not necessarily coming from one bank or lending institution. It's actually a crowdfunding platform. So I guess you could probably compare it to like a GoFundMe, but the difference being like GoFundMe is donations. This is actually business loans. So the way it works, let's say you want to raise $10,000 for a business loan. What you'll do is you basically have a campaign, and then people can contribute to different amounts until you reach that particular goal. And then once you reach that goal, then the loan proceeds will be dispersed. And basically what they want to see first before they open it up to the general public, they first want you to show or demonstrate that you can raise some funds or a portion of that loan from your existing network. So that's the first step that they're going to want to see first. And then once you've kind of demonstrated that you can get support from your local community, then they'll put you out on their public facing site where anyone can see your campaign and make contributions to your loan goals. The way the application process works, I'll post a link in the description, but it's pretty straightforward. You're going to enter some of your business information, your business address, when you started, a little description about what type of business that you do. And because this is a social enterprise, social impact, they're really gearing towards businesses that generate some type of social good, right? So if you're looking to get a business loan for, like a liquor store, or, for a marijuana business or a strip club or pawn shop or something like that, then this is not going to be the source for you. Just putting that out there. And then there's a couple other things with their application, right? So they're going to want to see documentation that your business actually exists. So like sample tax return or certificate of good standing from the Secretary of State, just something to just validate that your business is in good standing and it actually is a legitimate business. A couple stipulations to one of their rules is that you can't have any bankruptcies, either previous or existing. In addition, they will look into your criminal background. So what they're really looking at is over the past 5 years, if you had any violent offenses, convictions, or financial types of crimes, loan fraud, anything like that, right? So just keep that in mind. They will ask you about your personal monthly expenses as well as your monthly business expenses, in addition to the source of your income. So whether that's personal income, business income, savings, or family support. Now, one of the great things about this particular loan product is that you can get an offer, like a pre-qualified offer, with just a soft pull. And as a matter of fact, they don't hard pull you at all, which is the great thing about this particular product. So one thing you want to consider as well, so based on the information that you enter, you can get that pre-qualification, but whatever amount that they pre-qualify you for, it's contingent on being able to verify the information that you submitted. So they will verify all this information that you submitted. So you want to be as truthful as possible, because they will request documentation on the back end. And if you submitted information, but then your document doesn't support that, then you may not get the loan that you were pre-qualified for. One of the other excellent things about this particular product as well, there's 0% interest on up to the first $15,000 of the loan. So no interest at all up to $15,000 on that loan. And then there's also a 6-month grace period. So after the loan proceeds are dispersed, you're not going to have to make any payments for the first 6 months. And this is across all of their loans due to COVID. So you could definitely take advantage of that grace period in order to, have as much time as possible before you have to make your first payment. And the term of the loans go up to 3 years. So just also keep that into consideration. And the last part of the application, you're going to have to put together a personal story where you just give a brief description about yourself, what inspired you to, go into business. You're also going to have to give a short description about your business, what type of activities that your business does, and why you need the loan proceeds, and just kind of a brief explanation on how you plan to use those loan proceeds. And then, you're probably going to have to put a tagline, because again, this is a campaign. So once you have all of that together, and then, as I mentioned, you're going to have to raise some capital within your local network first before, they kind of put you in front of the entire, platform's audience. So overall, this is a great way to raise some capital for your business. It's not going to be that intensive in terms of credit requirements, collateral requirements, etc. Now, what I've decided to do, since this is the Credit Plug channel, and the whole definition of a plug is really to connect you with resources. So what I've decided to do was feature on a weekly basis from here going forward 2 businesses every week. We will feature, just give a brief background of the particular business, and then also give a link to the Kiva platform so that you can see their campaign. And if you connect, you could definitely donate, or not donate rather, but actually contribute to their loan campaign. So I really wanted to do this because there's a lot of deserving businesses out here that really, could use the capital. So I just wanted to use our channel in this community in order to, give some recognition to some businesses who deserve it, and also give us an opportunity to all give back. So in order to become eligible, like I mentioned, we're going to pick 2 businesses per week. But to be in consideration for this weekly feature, the first step is to submit your information, your business information. So I've put a link in the description of the video for you to submit your business information. That's step 1. The next step is to schedule a demo with Divvy, which is a corporate MasterCard charge card. There's no credit check. It's definitely a tool that every business should have, to help you keep track of all of your expenses. So definitely schedule a demo through our affiliate link. We have become a brand ambassador with Divvy. So that's step 2. And then step 3 is to apply to the Kiva loan. I'm going to post a link in the description. So those are the 3 very, very simple steps in order to be in consideration for a weekly feature. We'll just highlight your business and give you a shout out, basically your business a shout out, and a link to your campaign on the Kiva platform. And also, we will donate a portion of the ad revenue for every video feature that we do on the highlighted businesses. We'll donate the ad revenue to contribute to your loan campaign. So we really want to help put on for the community. I know there's a lot of you out here who have great ideas, great businesses, and you just need a little bit of support to get off the ground. So this is just a way of just empowering those within our community. So I'm definitely excited about this. So if that's something that you're interested in, all 3 links are in the description of the video, so definitely go check it out. And if there's anyone who has any experience with the Kiva loan platform, definitely let us know your experiences right down below. And until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.